Apply for a free boiler grant on our website at freeboilers.info-forall.com. Did you know that if you are claiming benefits, or if you are over 60 and living in your own home, or in private rented accommodation, you may be able to apply for a free government grant to replace your old boiler? Yes, that's right. The UK government Free Boiler Grant Scheme of 2016 is still available. Have you applied yet? Let us help you with your application. Simply fill in the no obligation form on our website. Apply today on our website at freeboilers.info-forall.com. Apply for a free boiler grant on our website at freeboilers.info-forall.com.